Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly, and today I am so excited to be sharing with you my son's closet organization. He is about 17 months old, so just over a year, about a year and a half. And I have been needing to organize his closet for so long, and I have like a cube organizer that I put all of his toys. It's been in my living room, and I've been dying to get it out of the living room and into his closet where it's put away, where I can control when he is playing with it for safety, but to where it's put away and doesn't look so messy everywhere. This video is in collaboration with Little House on the Suburbs. Thank you so much for asking me to collab with you. I was so excited for this opportunity, and I just think that you make such great content. If you haven't checked her out before, I am linking her video down below as well as her channel. Make sure to subscribe to her. She has great videos, and she has a killer Instagram as well, and she's always on her stories, so I'll link her Instagram below as well. Without further ado, let's get into this closet organization for a toddler. And keep in mind, before we get started, I don't have a lot of storage in my home. I'm in a 3-bedroom, single-level home, no basement, not a lot of storage whatsoever. So I have very little to work with, and this is why there's a lot of junk in here, so it seems. I wish I was able to do more with this space and make it more pretty, but it just isn't reality, and I wanted to really share that with you guys to where you know that you don't have to go out and spend a ton of money and have your closet look like Instagrams like that are all over and Pinterest and all of that. You don't have to be a Pinterest mom to be a good mom, and that's something that I really stand for here on my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to like this video as well if you liked it, and click the bell notification so you never miss one of my cleaning videos. I post weekly. So first thing is first, I'm just going to take everything out of the closet and give it a good vacuum. I am leaving the clothes hanging up because they are organized in the way that I would like them at this time. One day I'll get around to color coordinating, but I mean, it really is just a miracle at this point if I get them put away, if you know what I mean. So I'm just taking all of these bins down. They had miscellaneous things. None of it made sense. So I really wanted to have them have a purpose and have them organized. So there was a lot of things that just, I don't even know. You'll see, I got really overwhelmed. There's still a lot more progress that can be made, but this is a great start. So I hope this really gives you guys the motivation to get those really troublesome areas of your home organized, because it is possible to just start somewhere and then you can improve as you go. My mom was here as well to help watch my son while I was tackling this project, and I had her come in to kind of check to see if I could fit those on the top shelves so that they were kind of out of the way, but no way they would fit. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do in the future with those big bins, but I've got to find a different solution out for them. But stay tuned and see how I actually figured it out. But yeah, I was super overwhelmed, not knowing what to do with anything. So now that I have everything out, this is what I was working with. So you can really appreciate where it got to. So It doesn't turn out as beautiful as I was hoping, but honestly, it works for us and it is so much better than what it was, and that is a win in my book. So I'm just gonna turn this around so that I can talk to you. If you saw what it looked like before, I didn't do like a true before shot because it was so crazy, and I wish I would have so you understood like the leaps and bounds that we have come. But I really wanted to utilize this space up top here because it actually, we are lucky to have the 2 shelves. I have these big bins for baby number 2. We didn't know the sex of this baby, so we have a ton of neutral clothes that I could use for boy or girl, which comes in handy for baby number 2 when that time comes. That being said, I don't have anywhere to store the baby stuff. I have a swing, I have a rock and play, I have those bins of clothes. I need to get another bin because there's more clothes and things that I don't want to throw away or give away, but I just don't have anywhere really to store them. So along with like the big objects, like up here is the I have the baby swing. It's all broken down, but like what am I gonna do with it? So this bin up here I've had for a long time. I want to tell you, I didn't purchase any new bins, organization items. I used what I already have. I totally recommend it, and then figure out, you know, what additional items you need. That's gonna really save your budget. So in here are a ton of miscellaneous items. I have like an outlet, I have picture frames, I have random things like keepsake newborn stuff. There's just like a catch-all for things that I don't know what to do with. Then he has like a ball pit that I don't like to really set up, so that's up there. The balls that go with it. And here is like a first aid situation, so extra like medicine, syringe things, extra stuff that I don't need to grab often. This is another baby item. It is a wipe warmer, which I totally recommend, and I don't remember the brand that it's by, but I do love that for babies. In here I have his shorts. I used the smaller bin because we're headed into fall and winter. He's gonna just need these for like the last month. And here are his pants, and it was a tight squeeze, so when summer's over I will put his overflow pants in here. So I'll probably have like the sweats and whatnot in here, and then more like jeans and more like not as comfy clothes or pants will go in here. These need to go in a baby bin as well, but I just don't have that, so now I know that I need to get a third bin. But these are pack and play sheets and a baby wrap. Like I said, the 2 bins, And then, sorry, I'm like always so out of breath when I do these talkovers. Over here, I have his clean clothes that I need to put away. So I'll probably use most of these hangers. This bathrobe. And then I try and keep the clothes organized. And it's just how I always do it. So I have like his button-up shirts here. And then I just do like all shirts that are not onesies. And they're all short sleeved. Right here. And then I go into the rompers. I try and keep them sectioned so I can easily pick and pull for what I want for the day. Then I had all of his tank tops, and you know, we're getting into where we're gonna need to be putting them away. So then we have the onesies, and then that goes into the long sleeves. Then I have like his jackets or pullovers right here, or things that are just too big, and some of them are due to be given away. So this is what it looks like on this side. I have the giant swing, the swing parts, and I can't put anything else up there, so I don't know what I'm going to do. And then I have this organizer that I believe was just from Amazon. I have in this guy, I have like his brush, his like saline drops, his nose sucker, his nail file or nail clippers, some cornstarch for when I run out of my baby powder. I have extra like rags, and let me tell you guys who are expecting these, they're from Amazon, and I believe they're listed as cloth diapers. They are the best burp rags. They're humongous. They're so absorbent. I use them to this day. I've had them since he was newborn. They are amazing. And then I have just regular plain white bibs, and I need to figure out what to put in this one. Then I have his dirty clothes, like I said, the rock and play baby car seat. And then in here are more blankets and things that people made him that I don't really want to give away. That is it, guys, for this closet organization. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it's not like the Pinterest or Instagram mom version, but it really is functional. It's affordable. Work with what you have and then figure out what other items that you need. That way you're really saving on your budget, because like I figured out that I just need to get like one more bin for that top shelf, and it would, you know, that's all I need. But this is really functional for us. It's something that I needed to get done, and I worked with really little storage space. So if I can do it, I know you can do it too. I hope this gave you some really good motivation. Don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you are notified of my future uploads. I upload most of the time twice a week, if not once a week. I will be posting weekly always. Make sure to check out my Instagram as well for more behind the scenes. I am being more active on my stories on there and would love to see your responses. Really love this positive community, and I just want to talk to more of you. I think this is just so much fun, and it's so nice to have support from one another. So I hope you have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week, weekend, wherever you are today. And I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to check out Little House on the Suburbs. I have linked her below as well. Bye, guys.